The Low Country is beautiful, diverse, and very interesting. There are stories everywhere and wonders to discover. Ever since I can remember, I've been drawn to nature. I've spent the last 10 years walking and kayaking around the Low Country of South Carolina, often bringing others along and sharing what I've learned. As a coastal master naturalist and certified interpretive guide, I feel that I can help people observe nature and through that help them see its wonders. The details of nature fascinate me. The processes, systems, and patterns, how it all fits together is humbling and reassuring. I invite you to join me on a program or experience that will spark curiosity and wonder and will nurture your connection to the natural world.